From the word encapsulation. Encapsulation is one of the fundamental principles of OOP and involves the building of data attributes, the methods that operates on the data into a single unit or in a class. It restricts direct access to some of the object components. The access modern is the control of visibility of a class member, attributes, and methods. Common accessibility for modifiers for a public, private, and protected. The public is accessible for anywhere. The private is accessible of anyone in the class. The protected is accessible within the class and its subclass. Importance of encapsulation. Data protection, code organization, modularity, and flexibility. Prevents direct and another's access to sensitive data. The core organization is improved to code, struct, and readabilities. And modularity makes the code more modular and easier to maintain. Flexibility allows internal and implements details to change without effect in external code.
Gathering and sitter method. Gathering as a source method used to review the value of a private attribution, naming conversation, get variable name. Sitter monitor method used to set of modify and value and private attribute naming conversation, set variable name and new value. Data validations. Data validation is the process of checking if the data being entered to assign to variable is correct, valid, and constant.
Explanation. First, name and age are private. Then second, getters provide read access. Then third, set age validates the input before setting the age. Example, student class. So, first, class student, private, string name, then private int age. So, amo sila ang mga private variables na name and age na ang declare as a private. So, meaning they can only be accessed, modified within the student class. Then second, public student, string name, int age, then this name is equal to name. So this constructor is used to create a new student object within specific name and age values. So see this name that equal to equal name directly assign the provided name parameter to the class name field. Then can you see set age calls the set age method to assign the age. So this mode likely include validation logic to ensure the age is appropriate, checking if it's greater than 0. So by using set age, any validation of additional logic is defined and that method is applied with setting the age. Then public class get name, return name. Ano siya is i-return niya ang the student's name. Amo ni sa ang purpose ng public string get name, return name. Tapos next, public void set name string name. This that name is equal to name. So the set name method is a setter method for updating the name field of an object. So ang purpose niya is i-allow niya ang controlled access to modify the name field from outside the class. So see this that name is equal to name daw is directly disassign the value of the name parameter to the class internal name attributes. Amo na siya ang sa public and set name. Then next is public and get age. So amura gyapon siya ang yato sa taas ito sa get name na is i-return gyapon niya ang age ng students. So then last is public void set age. So si public void set age daw is this is a public method named as set age. So that takes an integer parameter age and return to value indicated by void. Then si int age, tas if age is greater than 0. So if it's greater than 0, so this condition checks if the provided age is greater than 0. So if yes, the method proceeds to set the age. Then this age is equal to age. So this age daw is equal to age is refers to the instance variable's age of the class. So the value of the parameter age is assigned to this instance variable, effectively updating its value. So the operation assumes that age is declared as a field in the class, where this method is defined like as a private variable to enforce encapsulation. Then else if age is not greater than 0, so i-block niya so or dili niya i-execute ang itong kung wala sa ito ang code. Then system out print age must be greater than 0. So it prints a warning message to console indicating that the input is invalid. Benefits of using encapsulation in student class. Benefits in the student class. So first, data integrity ensures that the age is always a valid value. Second, flexibility allows you to change the internal representation of the student class without affecting other parts of the code. Lastly, we have maintainability. So makes the code easier to maintain and debug.
Tomorrow I'll wake up, do some P90X, me to really